Hello friends, welcome to JEE Maths PYQs. Based on the trends in JEE Main 2021 to 2026, exact questions are rarely repeated. The following pattern have appeared consistently. So I'm starting a 10 video 3D geometry PYQ master series in this order. This sequence progresses from basic concepts to the most sophisticated patterns and aligns well with the recurring themes seen in recent JEE Main papers. In this third video of the master class, we will discuss foot of the perpendicular from a point to a line. Hello everyone, welcome to JEE Maths PYQs. Today's problem is an official JEE Main 2024 PYQ based on one of the most important concepts in 3D geometry, foot of the perpendicular. This idea is the foundation for many other questions, including image of a point. So let's master it. Alpha, beta, gamma is the foot of the perpendicular from the point 1 to 3 on this line. We have to find 19 times alpha plus beta plus gamma. Given line is x plus 3 by 5 equals y minus 1 by 2 equals z plus 4 by 3. We will assume each of these ratios to be t. Any point on the line can therefore be written as p this minus 3 plus 5t etc. 1 plus 2t minus 4 plus 3t. This unknown point is known as foot of the perpendicular. Now the given external point is a 1, 2, 3. So vector AP, where this P is foot of the perpendicular, is this minus 3 plus 5t minus 1 minus 4 plus 5t etc. minus 1 plus 2t minus 7 plus 3t. The direction vector of the line is d bar, this 5, 2 and 3. Since the foot of the perpendicular P lies on the line, we have vector AP perpendicular d bar. Therefore, AP bar dot d bar is 0. This is the only equation we need. Taking dot product of AP bar and d bar, this minus 4 plus 5t into this 5 plus etc. minus 1 plus 2t into 2 plus minus 7 plus 3t into 3 equals 0. Simplifying, minus 20 plus 25t minus 2 plus 4t minus 21 plus 9t equals 0. 38t minus 43 equals 0. T equals 43 upon 38. Now we will find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. This is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma. Alpha equals minus 3 plus 5 into 43 upon 38, 101 upon 38. Beta 1 plus 2 into 43 upon 38, 62 upon 19. Gamma equals minus 4 plus 3 into 43 upon 38 minus 23 upon 38. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma will be 101 plus 124 minus 23 upon 38, 202 upon 38, 101 upon 19. Hence, 19 into alpha plus beta plus gamma will be 19 into 101 by 19, 101. Hence, the final answer here is 101. Now let's talk about JEE shortcut. The entire question depends upon remembering one principle. Whenever you are asked to find the foot of the perpendicular from a point to a line, number 1, write the general point on the line. 2, form the vector from the given point to the general point, that is perpendicular vector. 3, take the dot product with the line's direction vector. 4, set it equal to 0. That's all. No special formulas, no memorization. And the important concept to remember is vector AP dot vector D equals 0. This single idea is used repeatedly in foot of the perpendicular, image of a point in a line, and shortest distance between skew lines. If you master this concept, you will be able to solve a large class of JEE Main 3D geometry questions with confidence. If you found this solution helpful, please like, share and subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs. In the next video, we will solve an official JEE Main PYQ on the shortest distance between two skew lines, another highly repeated concept in JEE Main. Happy learning!